The synchronic order is a symbolically coded information of time. This is important to remember. This is the key defining factor of the synchronic order, and is what gives meaning to time. The synchronic order introduces a higher level of interconnectedness of the Hermetic systems based on whole number symbolism. Higher whole number orders encompass all lesser decimal whole number orders of esoteric tradition. All factions can be transduced into whole number fractals. The synchronic order is an aspect of what Sri Aurobindo calls supramental descent. The whole structure of the synchronic order is a supramental structure based on symbolism derived from number. Number precedes consciousness. Number is supramental, beyond mind. Number is what gives mind its sense of order, harmony, and organization. Astrology is closely related to the synchronic order as it deals with moving elements in time. However, the symbology of astrology is based on third-dimensional coordinates in space. These coordinates are represented by different planetary bodies in relationship to a hypothetical or imaginal construct on the ecliptic, which is divided into 12 houses or astrological signs. All these signs account for 12 30-degree divisions of a circle in space. Even though astrology has merit as a type of primitive synchronic code, the basis of its symbolism is constructed in third-dimensional coordinates on a division of 360-degree plane in space. Thus, astrology is a structure of the old reality or paradigm of space. Every day the moon changes its appearance slightly, and different stars and planets also change in relation to the moon every day. The planetary bodies in moving relation to each other create particular geometries. It is the changing pattern of these geometries in relation to each other as they are focalized on certain points of latitude and longitude on the Earth that constitutes a type of synchronic order. These changing patterns are continuously subject to refined science and methodology. The synchronic order differs from astrology in that it is based on a fourth-dimensional set of mathematical constants, rather than on a set of shifting x and y third-dimensional coordinates. The synchronic order does not derive any of its constructs from third-dimensional coordinates, though it has correlates with the days of the orbital cycle, and even with the planets of the solar system. From the perspective of time, space is an infinitely locatable point. Earth is one of these infinitely locatable points. From the Earth's perspective, however, this is all space. If we look at the nighttime sky, all that space we see comes back to one point in time, which is ourselves standing on this one little point of space, which is our planet. The synchronic codes of time can be projected upon any particular point in space. Once again, the synchronic codes are not dependent on shifting third-dimensional coordinates. They are fourth-dimensional harmonic structures projected on third-dimensional coordinates. This indicates that all third-dimensional coordinates conform to a greater or lesser degree to one or a number of fourth-dimensional constructs. From this arises the corollary. The third dimension in its entirety is coordinated by the fourth dimension.